Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Wi-Fi not showing up on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Wi-Fi option is not showing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. First method is you just need to restart your laptop and turn off your router. Wait for 30 seconds and turn on your laptop and turn on your Wi-Fi and check whether your Wi-Fi is visible and is connected. If this option is not working, then what you have to do, you have to check whether your Wi-Fi option is enabled or not. For that, you just need to click on search and type here device manager. Click on the device manager. You just need to double click on your network adapter. In this, you will find your wireless driver. I am using Dell brand laptop, so it will show as Dell wireless. In your case, the make should be different. Suppose if you are using HP, it will show as HP. You just need to select, right click on that, then click on enable device. If you are seeing disable, means already that device has been enabled. So if it is showing to enable, means the device is disabled. You just need to enable it. Just close this window and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do, you have to just update your Windows. Just click here, then type settings. Click on the settings, click on update and security, then click on Windows Update, then click on check for update. If there is any pending update available, you just need to install and restart your laptop. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way, you can fix Wi-Fi option not showing on your Windows 10 or 11 laptop. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.